You wanna make this for $50? Then watch this video till the end. Let's break it down. First, you need a keyboard. This is used to play and record melodies by hand. Some popular options include like this and this and this. If you are using a mouse, you don't need to buy one. Second, you need a DAW or digital audio workstation. This is a software you use to actually create your music. For Mac users, GarageBand works great. For Windows, Cakewalk is a solid free option. And if you want to go premium, flstudio is one of the best. GarageBand and Cakewalk are free, but flstudio is paid. Third, you will need samples. These are the building blocks of your track, the sounds you shape into music. You can find tones of the great ones on SampleFocus, Looperman, or soundpacks.com. And that's all. You're now ready to start making your own Brazilian Phonk track. In the next video, I'll show you the keyboard I personally use. Don't miss it.